Rookie of the Year, the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series winner of the 2021 Contender Boats 250 at the Homestead Miami Speedway.
Cones over here to your right. You got 2 timers just past those cones, right? So that's kind of the starting line.
If you come in here and you have any sort of pedal on, it won't flash red at you. If it doesn't flash red at you, would know that's your warning saying that it is not reading it anymore. Let the car do all the work, okay?
See the red blinking light?
He didn't touch any pedals.
Oh boy, that's gonna be tough.
Yeah, oh yeah, very tough. Everybody thinks you're gonna outsmart the car.
Alright gang, once you're buckled up and ready to go, you go ahead and pull on around to the starting cones.
We're going to go ahead and start slowly rolling on out here, gang. We'll be the first ones to go out this time. This is a 30-mile-an-hour corner right here, even for the NASCAR guys. It's a 30-mile-an-hour corner. All right, another rotation. 12 on the bottom. 27 come on.
left turn here, and then we're off.